Racing vehicles operating at high speeds and high temperatures, man and machine are tested to the limits.
We need a service. Go right here. Yep, eco.
And where better to take a professional pit stop than at an e-car workshop? One of our growing network of independent e-car service centres. You can always be sure of a warm and friendly welcome. With more than 40 service centres nationwide and growing, eCar can guarantee a professional backup service. Our accredited workshops are supported by highly skilled specialist technicians and preferred suppliers of premium brand parts. From cutting-edge diagnostic testing equipment that will identify any problem to a range of top-quality components. Continuous technician training courses guarantee quality workmanship on all new makes and models and bring proud rewards. So, whatever the age, condition or warranty and maintenance status of your vehicle, become an eCar customer to enjoy superior service backed by a national warranty and the benefits of our free eCar Club Card loyalty program. If that's what you expect, eCar can deliver. Put your trust in us today. Racing drivers trust eCar. Shouldn't you?